Hey folks, how are you doing? It's nice to see all of you here on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you about another trading session of mine and how you can make money on trading. I'll go over my strategy in detail, so do watch this video up to the end. Please make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so you don't miss anything. Under this video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for pocket option registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit. It's absolutely free. Now let's go to pocket option and get down to reading the chart. I opened an up trade. Today we're trading the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. We bet 5% of the deposit. The expiration time is 1 minute. I made this decision because of the price reversal at 0.9244 and the beginning of an uptrend. We see the same signal from the stochastic oscillator indicator. As we can see, the price has moved in the right direction and now we can sit back and look at what's happening. Just a quick reminder, we're using two indicators today, the Donchian channel and the stochastic oscillator. Both of these indicators are important for predicting price movements. What's happening on the chart? The price has broken through the center line of the Donchian indicator and is trying to gain a foothold in its upper half. And the price is at the desired level. And the trade closes. There comes a profit. Perfect. Let's keep on going. And we're looking for a new entry point for the trade. The price starts a multi-directional movement and we keep watching. As we can see, the price is proceeding below the Donchian indicator center line. The stochastic indicator is signaling a possible down movement of the price. I make my decision from these signals. I open a down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. Let's zoom to have a better view of the price movement. The price has noticeably increased and we're happy about it, but it still fluctuates. The stochastic continues to point in the direction we want the price to go. A new candle opens and it will show if my predictions are correct or not. A momentum appears and the candle suddenly goes up. I guess this is just a short-term effect because it almost immediately goes back to the level we wanted. The longest and the most exciting thing about binary options is waiting for the trade to expire. But it's not the case right now. We're at a comfortable level. With the opening of a new candle, the price also goes down. Yeah. There's a profit and we are up by $188. Great, let's go on. After the trade closes, the quotes continue to fall. I open a 1 minute trade betting on the price going down. It's still $200 in. I made this decision upon the stochastic indicator continuing the bearish trend. And also because of the breakdown of the lower band of the Donchian indicator. Now let's see what happens. The price has bounced off to 0.9244 and we need it to drop below 0.9243. We see no downtrend so far, but the depth of the market panel keeps telling us about a possible decline in price, so we calmly continue to watch peacefully. The price is once again in a flat, or to be more precise, at rest. As I expected, the price reaches the lower band of the Donchian indicator and corrects slightly after that. There is momentum going on. Yeah, in the last few seconds our trade closes positively and we earn $180. And after the trade closes, the price is falling again, breaking through the lower band of the Donchian indicator. But we continue. And now we're able to find another entry point for a trade, which will bring a profit to us. Having pushed back from the low, the price makes a reversal and reaches the level of 0.9244 again. I open an up trade for 1 minute with $200 in. Now I will go over the signals I saw. The stochastic indicator was telling us about a possible rise in price after crossing the indicator line at 20 and exiting the oversold zone. The Donchian indicator did not give any signal this time. Let's watch the quotes. The price is pulling back slightly. These fluctuations are insignificant. With the opening of a new candle, the price still does not make any movement in the direction we want. The stochastic indicator is signaling an up movement. The price pulled back down and then it started rising impulsively and broke through the center line of the downtrend indicator and fixed at 0.9246. The new candlestick also heads up. Let's see, there comes the profit, and we made another $178. Now we continue to watch the clouds. The price is approaching its 12 minutes high while pushing the upper band of the downtrend indicator. Look at the chart. The price failed to break the level of 0.9247 and there was a reversal down. I opened a down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. I made this decision because the new candlestick opened with a gap and it is a clear signal for a rep of the previous bounce from 0.9247. Let's see if I'm right, because there were no clear signals from the indicators in this case. My decision based on the trading results of the last 15 minutes. And let's see. After we entered the trade, the price was going down nicely. Another fixation and it drops down again and confirms that my choice was correct. Having reached the downtrend indicator center line, the down movement stops and a slight correction takes place. A new candlestick opens with an insignificant growth, which in the current situation is not bad for us under the circumstances. And yeah, great! That wasn't hard at all, and we get a profit of $178. Let's keep watching the clouds. The stochastic indicator tells us about a possible continuation of the price going down. And I opened a down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. After entering the trade, the candle went up slightly and then returned to the opening level of the trade. This is where we get into an active confrontation between market participants. Yet the stochastic indicator is still signaling the correctness of our choice. The price is now at the level we are comfortable with. A new candle opens with a gap again, and there is no doubt that the price will proceed lower. The bears are taking the initiative and a sharp drop in quotations is taking place. Not that it is plain sailing, and the oscillating movement of the price indicates an ongoing confrontation between market participants, and we only have to wait a little before the trade closes. Let's wait, a new candle opens. There comes the profit, and we are able to make another $178. Great! And let's look at today's results. We opened 6 trades with only $200 in and managed to make $1,074. It took me 9 minutes of real time. Nothing's impossible, do you feel the same? I think that's a great result for today. We would not have achieved this result without the analysis of indicator signals we used in today's trading session. And I strongly recommend you to make use of indicators. And don't forget that the way to success in trading goes hand in hand with technical analysis. Keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. In the description below the video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. There you will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And more, if you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will receive a personal link to the Pocket Option registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. So my friends, this offer is great. I hope you've made the most of this video. Thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. One more thing I hope for is that you like it, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. That's about all for today. Good luck in the market. Take care, folks, and see you in the next video.